Hi, I'm LilBJessup. In this video, I install a ZEAK 2500-pound winch, test it out, and have a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oi, LilBJessup here. What I've got is the cheapest winch I could find with synthetic rope. This is a 2500-pound ZEAK winch I got from Amazon. It was 79 bucks. Let's see what we got. Oh boy, a box within a box. Handle with care. What I've got here is a ZEAK 2500-pound winch. Okay. Hey, the circuit breaker is shielded, so that's cool. A lot of wires. Ooh. That's pretty. So this is everything you got once you open it all up. Small little winch, connector that's all sealed up and waterproofed, fuse block, fair lead hook, and the controller. That can either be mounted on the handlebars or just mounted wherever. And of course you got some hardware. Unfortunately it doesn't come with a winch plate, but it's got a pretty sturdy base you can mount to. Real nice looking synthetic line. Yeah, this thing's gonna work good. So the plan is make a plate and slap that on there like that. Put a fair lead right up in here. This is right here, so I'll weld a little tab off of here and some angle iron, and that'll be all be hidden. So I have a hidden winch on a freaking lawnmower. That'll be what it'll look like when it's finished. You can't even see it. Just tucked away. It'll be right there. See it from the side. Have access to this. And the controller will probably be either up here or tucked up here. I haven't decided yet. Alright, so here's what I've got. I've got a piece of angle iron that I've cut. That's going to be welded up top here, along the side, along the underside, because I actually cut it a little shorter. So I can get a nice bead on there, and in the front and under it as well. So this thing, the metal's not going to break. Unfortunately, there's only 2 bolts that mount on this thing, so we're using these 2 right here. It should be fine. I can imagine the tractor itself weighs 500 pounds, so. Not too bad for what I'm working with. You ain't going nowhere. There it is. That simple. So I painted this thing, got it all looking good. Can't even tell it was modified. Well, yeah, you can. The paint's new. But the mount is done for the winch. Now I can work on putting the fair lead on. But let's just throw the winch on there and see how she's going to look. I made this a super close tolerance there. Like the nut barely even turns on there. All bolted up. So with the winch mount done, it is time to work on placement of the fair lead. So slight design change. I got this big old piece of angle iron, piece of scrap. It's going right there. I'm going to weld it to, there's a piece of solid metal that's on the base of the hood, so I'm going to weld it to that. And this is going to go out here. A little bit of bling. It'll look pretty good. And I will recess it into the hood. That way it'll move with the hood too. So I just got to be mindful of that with the cable coming out. Well, there she is. Fair lead's in place. Looking pretty good. Nice little bling on the front of this thing. With the motor on it, this thing is looking like some type of crazy contraption. Alright, so I've got the box up here nice and tucked away. I've run all the wires up under the motor, and it kind of goes back here to a mess right now. Had to modify some of the wires. They were too long and some were too short, so the ones for the motor to fit the controller or whatever this thing is. I had to cut and extend them, and then the other ones were too long. So I just took a little bit off, and they're routed under the frame, and they come up right here. The fuse is right here, and goes straight to the battery. So last night I was pretty busy. I put this thing all back together. It's all working good. The wiring up here is finished. I've got the remote tucked away up here, and I've also fit a tow strap up there, so that's pretty useful. But she is good to go. Let's go take her for a test. Okay, we're pretty stuck now. Now we might need to use the winch. Use this strap as my tree saver. Perfect. We should be able to drive over that one. So I got myself in a little bit of a tight spot. I'm actually kind of stuck now. I'm trying to climb out of this hole, and I can't. When we flex real bad, something rubs. So we're bound up all kinds of bad. This is uncomfortable. Oh, yep. That's the tipping point right there. I just let go. Okay. Don't like that. How do I get off this thing? This might be it. Sketchy. Now we can go up over this way. Just floating this wheel. Oh man. I can get there, but I'm kind of on the log now. I'd say it worked pretty good. Climbed me out of this onto this log and got me over there onto that log. I'm impressed, Amazon. Thank you. Went through there fine, but that was just a mud mower being awesome. I've got another good test for this thing. Can this winch hang with the name brands? First shot too, nice. Well, this is a simple test. There's a winch line, and a tree. Does thou art lift? All right, I want the back tires off the ground. Running out of cable. Well, I'd say that's a lift. Yeah, that's up. All right, she lifts. All right, back down you go, little buddy. Uh-oh. All right, a testament to my skill. Does this thing start after being held dang near vertical? Was nothing. I can't be more enthused about this winch. This thing worked amazing. It surpassed my expectations. I thought it wouldn't be worth crap. It was 75 bucks on Amazon. It was the cheapest one I could find. It worked. I think it's gonna work good for this thing. I mean, look at that. Isn't that just good looking? Now I just need a bumper up here to protect this thing even more. I can plow over more stuff. Yeah, it fits up nice in there. Real tight and snug like. Of course, having an extra big old battery back there helps. Super happy with this thing. Figure the winch didn't even break a sweat. Got it bound up on trees. It lifted itself up. I'm impressed. I really am impressed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.